Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be talking about that how to integrate ImageMagick library and in Node.js application. I will be telling that there is a specific ImageMagick node module that you can use inside your node application, which is, let me just show you. This is a package.json file of my node project, and this is a library that I have installed here. This is GM. GM stands for Graphic Magic. You can even install this library. Just go to your command prompt here. Let me just show you and execute this command, which is npm install GM. So it will install this library onto your package.json file. So just install this, and now we just need to get this library inside our index.js file. First of all, GM is equal to require, and we just require this library, which is GM. And after that, we will be converting this using this GM library in order to convert a PNG file which is located inside my directory. So let me just use this GM function, and inside this I will pass the image as a path. So it is there inside the same directory. I will just write here output.png, and then I will be concatenating functions here. Let's suppose I want to resize the image. I can use a resize function, and then I need to provide the x coordinate and the y coordinate, the width and the height. Let's suppose I want to resize it to 100, 100, and then there is a lot other functions are available: rotate, sample, scale. Also, all these are available. If in order to convert it into a different extension, we will use the write method, and here we will be providing the output image name. Let's suppose I want to convert it into output .jpg. I need to convert into JPG. So now this function will return a callback function also. So right here in the second argument, if any kind of error take place, we will first of all check for an error. If any kind of error take place, we will console log the error. If no error take place, then we just need to console log a simple message on the screen that conversion completed. And now you can see that the Node1 server automatically restarted my server. So you will see that conversion completed, and you will see this file output2.jpg being created. Let me just show you this file, guys, really quick. And let me just move on to my directory. Let me just show you the dimensions here. You can see that 100, 95. So it is exactly, it converted those dimensions that we provided here, 100, 100. And now let me just open this image for you. This was the original image. It has the dimensions. Let me just show you the dimensions of this image. Let me open this output2.jpg, and let me see that size different, guy. You can see that it has reduced the size to 100 into 100, and also the size has reduced to 3 KB. You can see that. So in this manner, guys, you can just use ImageMagick GM module, which is the core Node.js module for working with ImageMagick library. So thanks very much for watching this video.